Hi guys, so it's Monday and so now I'm gonna try to do a day in my life as a garments business owner. Come with me. Oh, it's Monday. Monday is Taytay Day and I'm gonna try to do a day in my life. Serious na. As in, totoo a day in my life. Oopsie. Laglag nga. Sorry. Time check guys. Ay, nakikita. Narinig niyo yan? Ganyan. Ganyan ang sound trip. Sound trip. Okay, so 1:50 na. I'm here. I'm near. If you can see, yun yung arco. Ay, wait. I don't know how to zoom. Okay, there. If you see. Okay, may tumatawid. Okay, so there. Meron Changi dyan sa left side. Meron Changi sa right side. Meron din sa mga, hindi lang yan. Hindi lang dito sa daan na to. Meron pa dun sa inside. And dun kami sa likod. Dun banda. I'm gonna show you where. Okay. Ay, wait. It's really traffic here. Always. Lalo na pag Christmas. So, I don't know kung anong oras yung hindi traffic. See, nagwawala na sila. Ayun. Diba? Ganyan yan sila. Kala nyo, madaling-madali. Taing-taing na siguro. Char. Anyway. There. Yan. Ay, may police. Ay, tatawid lang siya. There. So, I'm gonna turn a left. Okay, so, na SD card full. Hindi pa ako nakapag-transfer ng files. Anyway, ito na. So, nag-turn left na ako. And then, I'm gonna turn left again. Here, guys, pwede kayo mag-parking. 50 lang dyan. Yeah. Turn left again. There. And there.
In 100 meters, you'll arrive.
And this is Bagpi. And this is, I can't remember yung name kung ano nga ba to. Malabo ba? Sorry kasi nag-ano na ako. Nagtawag dito. Nag-phone. Yan. Dyan kami sa Maswerte. And sa Pasilio Red kami. Stall number 14. Anyway. Okay. So we're here na. Okay guys, I'm here na. Wait. Okay guys, I'm here na. So ang first agenda ko is magbaba ng stock. So wait lang. Magmamadali. Ayun guys. So video from now on will now be local. Kasi namatay. Wala na yung memory yung DJI. Anyway, so na-drop ko na yung stocks and we're going to our second agenda which is maghanap ng buttons and maghanap ng tala. Okay, so second stop, we're here na. But, wala. Anyway, I'm looking for my sunglasses. Alam nyo dati. Okay, so nawala siya. Nalaglag ba siya? Okay, alam nyo, so dati, ginajudge ko yung mga... Ay, wait lang. I'm gonna look for it. Okay, so nawawala yung sunglasses ko. Maybe nalaglag siya. Anyway, so we're gonna look for buttons. So, yeah. Okay, so done na guys. Third stop. Bitay ng tela. Okay guys, so change of plans. Third agenda is bababa muna tayo ng stall. Nag-park na ako. And check lang natin. Hi guys! So we're done na sa stall. Sarado na rin yung stall. And here na sa fourth agenda of the day. We're gonna buy Della. We're done with our fourth agenda. There, I bought lang few Dellas para mag-sample. And then on our way to our last stop. So, on traffic. Hi guys, so we're here now sa last stop, but I cannot pass. Cause look. Tell me, how can I pass? Char. Hindi ko kaya! So, dyan gusto ni kuya ako dumiretso, pero malalim yun guys. So, I cannot. Teka, bababa ako. Bababa ako, kuya! Ah, parang bukan na yan. Okay, sobra na. Okay, so we're done and we're going home now. Oh my God! Grabe yung 2 lanes, naging 1 lane. Dahil sa mga motor. Car. I don't hate you guys, but, you know, sunod naman, paminsan. Follow road. Grabe oh. Oh my God. Oh, sige kayo na lang. Pati tricycle. Ay, sus ginoo. Oh my goodness. Time check guys, 6:12 and I'm not at home. I'm home. I'm home guys, so time check. Okay, so I'm home na. Time check, it's 6:50. 6:50 na. So there. Today in my life. Bye.